As teased in previous videos, there are Korean verbs that do not conjugate regularly. Today is part 1 where we are going to break down some of the irregular patterns. Korean has a number of irregular verbs and adjectives, meaning that they don't follow the standard rules for conjugation. These irregularities occur based on the final consonant of the stem, which might affect how they are conjugated in different grammatical forms. Let's start with the first. S. Irregular. For verbs and adjectives whose stems end in S, the S is dropped when followed by a vowel. Let's visualize with an example. We have the following word in its infinitive form.
짓다.
To build. When trying to form the CV form, we delete the S and append the syllable, which results in
지어.
When trying to apply constructs that start with a consonant, the letter remains.
짓습니다.
With the adjectival modifier, it would result in
지은.
Irregular. For verbs whose stems end in a, the last letter changes from
디귿.
to.
리을.
Hence, let's see an example.
듣다.
To listen. For its CV form, we change the letter and append the CV syllable.
들어.
Again, when appending consonant constructs, everything remains.
듣습니다.
And again, for the adjectival modifier, we change the last letter.
들은.
Be irregular. For verbs whose stem end in B, we remove the B and turn it into a U, when appending a vowel first.
무섭다.
To be scared. For the CV form, we remove the last letter and substitute it with the additional syllable. And then it assimilates with the CV vowel.
무서워.
For the consonant construct, it again remains the same.
무섭습니다.
And for the adjectival modifier, we again have to substitute the last letter B, but instead of using
은.
we assimilate it into the last syllable, resulting in
무서운.
One very popular exception to the be irregular is the word
돕다.
because it does not change to,
도와.
but instead turns to.
도와.
That's it for today. Tomorrow we will briefly go over the remaining 4 irregulars. Practice time. Try to append the following grammars to the 3 words on the screen. Check your answer below.